Hi students, this is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. Children, in last class we learned about Windows 8.1, third lesson. In that we learned what are Windows, what are the features of Windows 8.1, what are desktop and the computer icons and DVD, RW drives and files and folders, file explorer and navigation pan. These all we learned, children. Renaming a file or folder and copying and moving a file or folder, deleting a file or folder, and wallpaper and screensaver, Windows 8.1 calculator. These all we see in last class, children. Okay, touch screen computers also we learned. Okay, now today I am going to teach about this table, children. I left this table in last class. So, what is here given, children? See, operating systems for tablets and smartphones. Here, which company is creating these smartphones and tablets nowadays? What are their logos? Which operating systems they are using? That all here given as in the form of table. So, here see name, Android phone, Windows phone, iOS phone. iOS means this is Apple company special software as we will use as a operating system. Okay. So here you see logo, Android phone logo. It looks like this. Okay. And here it looks like this logo is like this Windows phone and iOS phone looks like this. Developed by this is Google company. Android phones are developing by Google company. Windows related phones are developing by Microsoft Corporation, and Apple phone is Apple Inclusions. They are developing. Next, here name and release date of the first version. First Android phone was Android 1.0. The version is, and it is released on September 2008. Next, Windows Phone 7. The first version is Windows Phone 7. It is released on the date November 2010. Next, iPhone OS 1, sorry, dot into in June 2007 it was released, children. Next, name and release date of the latest version. Now, latest versions what are here we are using Android 1.1.1 Lollipop in April 2015. This is the latest version of the Android phones. Next, in Windows version, Windows Phone 8.1 in April 2014. This is the latest version of Windows phones, Windows operating system phones. iOS related phones are iOS 8.3 in April 2015. So these are the latest version of these phones, children. Here one factum is given. One of the early versions of Google could process 30 to 50 pages per second. Now Google can process million of pages per second. In olden days means some years before, Google is only processing in Google search. We can see so many pages, no, which information we want, we can search in Google. Okay, so in few years before the Google company, that company is processing only 30 to 50 pages only per second. Now Google company is processing means it is updating millions of pages per second. Okay, children, this is about the table. Now we will see the notes, children. Answer time. See first one, children. Answer time, tick the correct option. See page number 32. The first one is, how many pans can you see on the screen of Windows Explorer? The answer is 2. Next is, giving a new name to an already existing file or folder is called rename. The Android operating system was developed by Google. An image seen on the computer when it is left idle for a specified time is called screensaver. From this window, we can change the wallpaper and the screensaver, personalize. Okay, next see fill in the blanks, children. We can perform many operations on dash like saving, opening, copying, printing and editing with the help of few mouse clicks. Office button. Next, whatever is saved in our computer can be accessible from the icon called computer. Here we can access from the Windows Explorer also, children, but I wrote office button. Maximum we are using from office button only, that's why I wrote here. We can insert a CD. You can write in the first blank Windows Explorer also you can write. Next, third blank, you see we can insert a CD or DVD in the drive and see its dash by double clicking this icon contents. The number of screensaver is dash in your Windows 8.1 displays. Okay. Next, question and answers you see, children. First question, what do you understand by desktop? For this question, children, see page number 20. Page number 20, desktop and computer icons are there, no? Down of that, when you switch on the computer is there, no? From here onwards to that full paragraph up to Windows. This is the first question answer. Next, see what is the second question. Name any two icons on the desktop. For this question, children, see page number 20 only. Here is no many small pictures appears on the desktop. These pictures are followed by their names. These small pictures are called icons. Example, my computer, network, recycle bin. Okay, you write this one as the second answer. Next, see what is third question. What do you mean by Windows Explorer? For this question, children, see page number 31. In brief is there, no? In here, third point, you see third point, Windows Explorer is used from here onwards to these 2 points. Windows Explorer is to view and manage files and folders. We can rename, copy, move and delete files and folders using Windows Explorer. Up to here you write. This is the third question answer. Next, see what is the fourth question. What is the meaning of moving a file or folder? Also write steps. For this one, children, see 26th page number 26, copying and moving a file or folder is there, no? From here onwards to page number 27, fourth point, up to here you should write. This is the fourth question answer. Next, see fifth question. Where do files and folders go when they are deleted by you? For this question, children, see page number 27. Here is no, you can right click, deleting a file or folder. Down of that one, you can right click the file or folder that is to be deleted and click delete from the shortcut menu. It will go and save in recycle bin. It will go and save in recycle bin. You should write that. Next, sixth question answer. What is screensaver? What steps will you take to change a screensaver? For that question, children, see page number 28. Here is there no wallpaper and screensaver. From here onwards, the background image of the desktop is known as wallpaper. From here onwards to this full, children. Second point also, the control panel window opens up. Click the personalize option. Up to here, click personalize. Up to here you should write, children. So what is the sixth question answer? Here, page number 28, the background image of the desktop is known as wallpaper. From here onwards to up to this second point. Okay, children, this is the sixth question answer. Now see hearts, children. Is Windows Media Player able to execute a movie file? Yes, by using Windows Media Player we can see the movies. Next, why do we delete undesired files and folders from our computer? To create space. Okay, children, these are these answers. Next, you see activity time. Paste the following icons in the given boxes. Here you should paste the recycle bin icon. Here network icon. Here folder icon. So if you are able to take Xerox of that one, take Xerox. Otherwise better you draw the recycle bin icon here, and network icon here, and folder icon here. These pictures also there in the lesson. You search, if you will get. Okay children, recycle bin folder, that all you will get in this textbook only. Okay, otherwise you can see in mobiles also. If you type images of recycle bin, you will get so much of recycle bin images. You draw that, and network images also, network icons also you can search by the Google in your mobile. Okay, next lab work we will see in next class, when after opening school, and discussion time also we will see later children. Okay, now how you will write notes children? First put the heading, after that write this, tick the correct options are 5, next write fill in the blanks, next write question and answers, next write hearts also. Okay, after that up to here you write enough. After that this activity time you do in textbook only, no need to write in notes. Okay children, this is about the notes of the third lesson. Now I am closing this class children. Complete your notes as early as possible. Okay, we will meet in next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.